How to create a TradeW account. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're excited about exploring trading but feel a little intimidated by all the steps, then you are not alone. Creating your TradeW account is simpler than you think. First of all, open the TradeW application on your device. If you don't have the app yet, go visit your Google Play Store or your App Store and download the app first. Once you download the TradeW app, which looks like this, you'll need to open it up and it'll take you to the home page, from where you need to click My Account at the bottom right corner. Inside the My Account tab, tap on Login/Register at the top. Now, you can go ahead and sign up using Google, Facebook, or your email. Choose any one options. You can also sign up or log in via Apple account. I'm gonna tap Continue with Email. If you do the same, you'll be taken to this page where you need to go ahead and click on Register at the bottom and enter a valid email address you want to sign up with. After typing down the email, click on Register. If you've got a referral code, write it down right underneath the email tab and click Register. Now on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter a 6-digit OTP code. Go check your email inbox for the OTP. Open up the same email inbox that you just registered with and open the email from TradeWheel, copy the code, get back to the app and paste it in. Or you can also manually type it down. On the next page, enter your country code and then a password. While creating a password, make sure to include the criteria popping up right above and click on Submit. If you want to enable biometric authentication for easier login, tap on Enable. If not, tap Skip at the top right for now. You can always do it later. Right after you do that, you have successfully created an account for yourself. You are now in the home page of TradeW. The next thing you can do is to link a payment method, explore and customize your dashboard, and so on. So that is how you can create a new account on TradeW. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again with more videos like this. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.